Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Freddo Cappuccino as I do it in Greece. So I have a fresh ground coffee. I always use Lavazza because it's a no-brainer, it just creates good flavor. So I'm going for the double, which is about 14 grams of grains. So it makes a little noise, hold on a second. Okay, so now that this is fresh ground, I'm just going to even it out with my hand like this, and then tamp it with the tamper, not too heavy but not light, just like a nice push. And here we have our espresso machine. It's an Italian machine, you know, for domestic. And I want a little sugar. In Greece you would say ligi zahari, very little, or more sugar you would do 2 times, 3 times. I go for a little sugar and I put it in a cup. At the same time I'm using a little milk. This is 1.5%, you can go for full cream. And I have this very nifty, gritty from the espresso, this milk frother. And I will do it cold. You can do it hot or cold. Since we are doing a cold beverage, I will do it cold. So I will just, as you can see, just above the frothers. And the long press, it will turn blue, it means it's doing cold, like so. Now I'm going to turn on the espresso machine. It's going too fast, but anyway, not too much. Right there. Okay, now I'll take my glass. We'll put some ice. Look what a fantastic crema we have with the lavazzas. I'm going to stir that here since the coffee is hot, so the sugar will dissolve in the coffee. You just pour it over your ice. You stir it a little bit so you're cooling down the coffee. Very easy. The milk has been frothed and you go slowly so it floats on the top, as you can see. And this is what you would get usually in those carton takeaway cups. And we put a little straw. So that's a Freddo Cappuccino. Enjoy it. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.